Z, Z. Z is for Zamboni. Z, Zamboni.
The ice skating.
That's right. Look at that kid learning how to skate with a special frame. What's this game they're playing?
Ice hockey.
That's right. Ice hockey's played on an ice rink, just like ice skating is done on an ice rink. But you see how the ice gets all cut up by the skates? We need something to make it clean and smooth again. What is it that we need?
Zamboni.
That's right, a Zamboni. It's an ice resurfacing machine.
Make the ice nice and clean.
That's right, after cleaning up the ice, it spreads a layer of water, you see, and that freezes and makes it nice and smooth.
We need cold water to make it freeze.
Yeah. That's right, it freezes on the ice to make a new surface.
Z is for Zamboni. Zamboni.
Z. Z is for zoo. Zoo.
This looks like the entrance to a zoo.
Yeah, that's the entrance. People were going in. Here's some giraffes in the zoo.
Are they the tallest creature?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
A deer.
Looks like a petting zoo because they can touch the animals.
A tiger.
Ooh, he's big, isn't he?
Yeah. Pandas.
Panda bears, that's right. And where are panda bears from?
From China.
China, that's right. You can also have a special type of zoo for sea creatures. What are they called?
Aquarium.
Aquariums, that's right. These are sea creatures, but they're not fish. These are called sea otters.
We were at the Battersea Children's Zoo and those pigs are eating vegetables. Z is for zoo.
Z. Z is for Zeppelin. Zeppelin.
A zeppelin is a big balloon with engines that carries people.
It's also called the airship. Here's a real one.
Yes, it's known as the Goodyear blimp.
Goodyear blimp. Dawn is rising up.
Actually, it's a place where zeppelins used to be built and stored called a hangar.
Now all the zeppelins are finished getting built.
That's right, we don't really use zeppelins anymore.
Z is for zeppelin. Zeppelin.
Z. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.
Here's some zucchini.
And what's another word for zucchini?
Courgette. Peeling a zucchini. The word zucchini is very funny.
It's actually an Italian word, so it sounds a bit different. The English word is courgette. Also, the French word is courgette. A lot of words are borrowed from one language to another, you see.
Cutting a zucchini.
That's right, and then they're going to make a salad or maybe cook it.
Putting it into the pan.
That's right, they're going to fry these zucchini. These are zucchini flowers. Did you know you can eat the flower of a zucchini?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, you can fry them and they're yummy delicious.
Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. The end.